track.
What's up, friends? Y'all jumping around already. Oh, Lord. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kay, and we're kicking off another March Madness vlog, baby. If this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through, and I hope that you stay, like, comment, subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone, and all my returning subscribers. Y'all know how this goes. Give me okay, y'all. It's a head type of day for now, anyway. Well, it's gonna be a head type of day all day, actually. I'm gonna go from a cap to a cowboy hat because we're going to the rodeo today, y'all. Yeah. I said I'm not gonna come in here and tell y'all what y'all already know. I'm busy and I'm tired. Well, I'm not. You know, just say it because we already know. I'm not really tired this morning, though. Just knowing that I just got deadlines and stuff. Meeting someone for lunch, and then got to get off. I don't know what I'm wearing. So there's that. I had an idea, but it's gonna be cold. So yeah, that trash is that idea. So anyway, we're not cold, cool. And if you know anything about the Reliance Center in Houston where the rodeo is held, your car not right there. Your car, you gotta walk a little way to get inside. So there's that. But I want to come and talk to y'all. Cause y'all know, stupid stuff make me itch. It do. It just. So this boy in my DMs think I'm pretty. Oh Lord have mercy. A text. What is this text saying? So anyway, let's talk about DMs. Y'all know stupid shit get on my nerves. So I got a DM this morning from someone that is not single. So you follow me on social media, and that's cool. That's fine. You follow me on social media. People are going to follow people that's on social media that's not in a relationship. And then you ask me to send you my number. Would your wife be good with that, considering your marital status, sir? He said, yeah. I said, oh, okay, well, send me her number. Let me make sure she okay with it. What we got to talk about? What we got to talk about? You say you got something to tell me. I say, okay, well, say it. We're typing. I'm listening. That's exactly what I said. We're typing. I'm like, I don't know why I'm talking about this instance, because unfortunately, it happens all the time. And when it happens, you gonna post this heartfelt fucking message to your wife on social media, and then you DM it me. Like, that shit, motherfucker, what the fuck I look like? Number 2? You think she giving you problems, sir? You must ain't read. You must ain't read the side label on me, sir, because you need therapy fucking with me. So anyway, figure out what the hell we're gonna put on. I don't know. I don't even know what the hell I'm supposed to wear to the rodeo. I mean, hold on, y'all. They gonna get these boots that I wore last year, because who the fuck got a whole bunch of pair of boots? Like, I mean, cowboy boots, that is. I could give them the actual cow boots, but baby, they heal and all that walking. I ain't gonna let it do that. I ain't that grown. I got so much to do. I guess since I'm going out in public, we should probably wash the car, because I can't even see out the window. That's a shame, but it rained yesterday. But it ain't supposed to rain today, so I don't lunch, we probably go get the car wash. All right, y'all, we're about 5 minutes in. I ain't really said shit. I'm rambling at this point. Stay tuned. I'll be back. Y'all, I'm looking at this car that's on the side of me, and it's the same color as mine. And I'm thinking to myself, so shit, that's what my color look like when my car is clean? Girl, if I don't go wash this goddamn car, oh my God, it is every bit of muddy and ashy. Oh my God. Look, I know y'all see, y'all can't look out there, y'all can't see out that back window. We're gonna get it together. We're going to the car wash. Your girl Rodeo Kaye. Y'all, I'm in pain. I am. I came on the camera because I need to talk to my friends, you know, just in case someone else is going through anything. Mine happened to be with my children. It's gonna come to a point in your life where they're gonna make you cry. It's just I'm sorry for that son, y'all. I know that sounds mean. I know you probably say I shouldn't say that or whatever. But I'm a firm believer, if you know better, you do better. So if you're aware that it may happen, then you're equipped for it. That's just how I think. Oh, I hate that sun is coming. Let me see if I can block with this hat. Oh, girl, this hat is good for something. The problem is, you know, when you first have your kids, you're saying to yourself, oh my God, I can't wait till they get grown and they out my house. But you being a parent doesn't stop because they move out of your house. It doesn't stop the heartache. It doesn't stop the pain you feel. It doesn't stop. It's actually magnified, believe it or not. And for those who have smaller kids, I don't want you to feel like, oh my God, you'll be okay. You will, but I feel like I don't know why I felt like I needed to get this, to talk to y'all about this, but baby, this thing's called life ain't no game. And you can't, and as much as you love them, as much as you want to protect them from everything, you can't. You can talk to you blue in the face. They're still going to make their own choices. Sometimes that choice hurts you more than it do them. So that's what I'm dealing with. I'm a little raw right now, but I'll be fine because I'm a soldier. I always have been and I always will be. But I'm also human. And sometimes people don't like to show that side, and when I say people, I'm talking about me. But I want my channel to be raw and authentic and real. So if I can't give you the bad times, then what's the point? Shit ain't always gumdrop, rainbow, and happy. It ain't always like that. You following me or subscribe to me because you want to know. So I'm telling you. It ain't always gumdrops and rainbows. And I know pretty well, anybody that's watching me should know that already. I know that, but I'm just, y'all, I'm back. Oh, Lord. Wrong lane. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. I'm good. It's just, like I always tell y'all, I done been through so much that I can handle a lot. But some things, it just be the initial gut punch, and that's just today because it's raw and it just happened. And yeah. And anyway, hey y'all, tell me y'all business since I done kind of sort of told y'all y'all like my head. decided probably more like summertime cowboy. I don't know. All I know is it's $3.99 at DD's. I needed a cowboy hat because I ain't had time to comb my hair. But you can't tell with this cowboy hat on. Speaking of hair, girl, sometimes I can't make it to the hood and get my hair cut by the boys. So sometimes I gotta go to the females. Now, not my beautician, but my barbershop. I got 3 of them. I got 4 in total, plus the beauty shop. But I got 2 of them that I go to mainly just to tighten up. My main source of getting my hair cut is my beautician. So anyway, long story short, I didn't go in there for a cut. I went in there for a lineup. This place is right not too far from my job. So I'm like, okay, that's convenient. I can go. Doesn't take but a second to get a lineup before I go to lunch. And I got to the register. When I say a lineup, let me explain what I mean for that. That means edge, all around. From here on back to here. When I got to that register, she said $20. So how much do it cost for an actual half cut or a full cut if a lineup is $20? Bitch, I know I ain't paid that $20. I'm not paying this. I know. That's why it's empty in here. You gotta make it make sense. Anyway, y'all. That was that. But I think I was talking about this hat, girl. Is it? It's a cowboy hat, right? Now that I'm looking at it, is it? I don't know. I was not going to wear this outfit. I actually was gonna wear shorts until the temperature said it was gonna be like 51. Now, if you was to see this whole ensemble, you would probably say you might as well have wore shorts because your whole chest is out. But I didn't, so here we are. Oh, I didn't know this place have people here at this time of day. Learn something new every day. Oh shit, I think we were supposed to be meeting BM at 5:30 and it's 5:39. Now, I'm probably gonna get there at 5:45, which would make me 15 minutes late, which is really not bad. But here's the gotcha. The motherfucking concert is sold out. Oh Lord, I gotta plug y'all up. Hold on. Plug y'all up because I'm planning on going live while we there. Why I didn't plug y'all up since we left? Anyway, I plan on going live while we there, like I said earlier, but we'll see if I remember. Right now, it's not a good thing and I don't promote it, but I'm just trying to numb the pain. Did this start that long? Oh. By drinking pineapple juice. It's like 4 minutes in again. I think I'm rambling at this point because I'm feeling a lot of emotions right now. So I'm going to turn on some Little J, MJG, the nigga table, and vibe.
Trips that you planned for the